Hello, today we're talking about 8-2, the 45-45-90 triangle. But before we do that, we need to go and talk about rationalizing the denominator. You cannot leave a square root in the denominator. You have to get rid of the square root sign. And the way to get rid of the square root sign is to multiply it by whatever is in the bottom. So I'm going to multiply this by square root of 2 on the top and the square root of 2 on the bottom. So this will give me 6 square root of 2, just like an x, the square root. I can't multiply these two together. And the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. Or any number times itself up underneath square root sign is that number back without the square root sign. And then now I can cancel here because 2 goes into 2 once and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So my answer is 3 square root of 2. The next thing we're going to talk about is a 45-45-90 degree triangle, which means then you have an isosceles triangle because, let's do it like this. 90 degrees, and these two are equal, so that means this is 45 and this is 45. So the formula is if this is x, the other side is x, and then this is going to be x square root of 2. Whatever this number is times the square root of 2. So let's take a look. If this is my 45-45-90 degree triangle, and this side is 9, then that means the other side is 9. And then the hypotenuse across from the right angle is going to be this number, 9 times the square root of 2. Now, if I happen to go the other way, where they give me the hypotenuse first, so like if this is 3, to go this direction to find one of the sides, I got to divide by the square root of 2. So this problem then becomes 3 over the square root of 2 because I got to divide by the square root of 2. I can't leave this in the bottom, so I multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 2. And so then this answer becomes 3 square root of 2 all over 2. And that's my answer.